Hey guys, well, Energy Conservation Week, if you will. At least your projects are coming up. So here's one thing you can do. Go by your local hardware store and you can pick up a little pack of these foam inserts. Kind of look like this, and they just have little punch outs. You kind of pop it out. This is a square one, so it's designed to fit. Pop it out, and it just fits right over. Now I'm going to put it on the inside of here so I can fit it over my screws a little easier. Pops right on. Correct screwdriver would help. These guys fit it in, one in, the other end, and there we go. Somewhere between 2 to 5% of all energy loss in a home, right here. Now granted, this one's on the inside, not on a wall, but air comes in, heat comes in through here because it's not insulated. Now, 5% isn't much, but let's say you have a $200 electricity bill. Well, that's $10 a month, or $120 a year. These things will set you back about $2.50. So for less than $10, you can do your whole house, and you'll pay for it in your first month's savings. But anyway, good idea for conservation of energy around the house. You guys, as always, be awesome, and we'll see you next time.